Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So today I have some hair from QVR Hair. Yes, we have their deep wave feather crochet, and I'm super excited because of the micro ring loop technology that is used. So this is the answer. This is a game changer for those people who do not like the knots or that little obvious crochet look. This is the answer. So I'm now just actually feeling the hair. It feels super soft to the touch, and trust me, this actual loop is so firm, you would not believe it. So let's just get started. I already have my hair washed and blown out, and I'm actually using a new braid pattern for today's look. Usually I would just do parts going back parallel to my side part. I would just do some parts going all the way back, but now I'm actually making some diagonal parts, so they're kind of slanted and they're parted down away from my actual side part. All right, so I'm making them somewhat small again because I'm not going to be doing any knotless or invisible method. So we want for when we install this hair, it actually looks very natural, very flat, and there is minimal to no gaps showing. All right, so I'm just going ahead parting small pieces. I'm using braiding here as I usually do, because that helps to create a better foundation and it helps to protect your natural hair, in my opinion. So again, make sure that your parts are slanted. That is the key. And you're going to see why, because when you actually install the crochet hair, you want for each of those the start of each of those braids to be looking all flawless, all natural, and it gives you the invisible look. All right, so make sure that your parts are slanted, and I'm going to just mimic or mirror the same pattern on the opposite side of my part. So you're going to establish your part. If you're wearing your middle part, then you want to do it with the middle part and do the same slanted direction with your braids. But I am a side part girl. So I'm just doing symmetrical braids on the opposite side so that they mirror each other. All right, going ahead and just braiding to the half mark. I'm not braiding all the way back as I usually do, and you guys are going to also see why. All right, so now I am done. Guys, this could be a whole style. These are so small. This could be a whole style. Anyway, so I'm connecting all of those braids now, going across from ear to ear. That is because, you guys, if you've been following my channel, you know I like doing the beehive method, especially when I am using curly hair. So the beehive method is pretty much basically braiding all of the hair in a circular motion or circular direction. So I'm just parting off circular sections in the back. All right, and trust me, I was not concerned at all about neatness, and I wasn't even trying to make them small, because you can just attach those small pieces of hair pretty much anywhere on that circular braid. All right, so of course we're going to be spraying my natural hair with my nourishing oil blend. Make sure that the scalp and the hair remains healthy, at least initially. Yes, and now we are ready. So of course here this is the easiest crochet install that you guys can ever do, because you're just making one knot, literally. You don't need to double, triple. For the most part, usually when you're using curly hair, you have to be knotting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times for it not to slip. But I'm telling you, this micro ring loop is the answer, because that baby stays firm with one knot. So it's a time saver if you are trying to get your hair done, but you're not trying to sit down for hours to try to get a simple crochet style done. The micro ring loop technology is, trust me, the answer. All right, I just slide my hand along the deep wave hair because it gives it a fuller and a more natural look. when packaged, the hair comes, very defined, and has a more silky look. Once I run my hand along the hair, it looks more natural and gives it a more natural texture. All right, so this is one pack so far, guys. Yes, this is how far one pack got me. And I'm just admiring the hair because, guys, so soft, super soft. And I continued installing some more packs. So I'm done with the back pretty much, and I'm getting ready to start the front section of the head. Yes, I'm excited. Can you tell? Can you tell I'm excited? All right, so I'm just inserting and just pulling the hair through, like bam. Inserting the crochet tool, attach the ring loop, pull it through, then you hold the hair itself and pull it through and slide to tighten. That is it. Can I tell you? So a little bit about the hair. Again, it is 100% human hair, and I got the natural black, that's the color, and it is 22 inches in length. So it's not too long, not too short. To me, it's a perfect length. And you know what I love? It gives you that a full weave look, but the bonus is that it is a great protective style, and the style is breathable, so you can actually get to your scalp and care for your scalp and make sure that your natural hair remains healthy because of that breathability. So I love that. The knots are super secure. Right? Once you tie it one time, it is very secure. So you don't have to worry about slipping. You don't have to worry about being able to do the knotless or the invisible technique for your crochet style to look nice. So I know that that's a challenge for a lot of people who want the style. They don't know how to do that method, or they don't like to do the crochet style because they feel like it doesn't look natural, guys. This braid pattern coupled with this technology, the micro ring loop technology, is the answer. Promise you. So now I'm starting to install the hair onto the starting point of my braids, which is the most important part. So you will notice that your hair will not look too bulky. It will look nice and flat and give it a more realistic look. And you can definitely install this hair yourself, guys, because it is a much easier approach, and so you can save some coins. The hair is also reusable, so you can actually remove it, wash it, and save some more money doing that. And this is the machine made crochet hair. Make sure you pay attention to that. I will leave the exact link to the one that I use, and so you guys can get a hold of that. The machine made hair is actually a little bit cheaper, but trust me, there is no compromise because you cannot tell. It is just that amazing. All right, so I'm now using my edge control. Of course, you have to slay those edges. Come on now. We have to make sure that it looks nice and seamless and gets blended into our style. And let me go get myself together. Guys, I'm acting like it was a dramatic transformation when the only thing that changed was my clothes, and I just, put some powder on my face so I don't look so busted. But guys, this is the look. This is how it looks in the back. The perfect volume, in my opinion. It is perfect in terms of the amount of hair. If you like bigger hair, you can use more than 5. I used all 5 packs. You can use more if you want it bigger, or less if you don't like it this big. But the hair also is pretty nice and soft. Yes, no shedding was experienced at all in the installation process. I love it. Can you tell, guys? Love it. So I'm gonna go ahead now, guys, and show you how versatile it can be. As creative as you are, you can play with more styles, but I was just trying to do some basic styles for this hair. So I just went for my go-to looks, which was half up, half down. Simple, quick and easy, no skill required. So I was just using some hair to tie around the ponytail in the front and just pin it with a bobby pin. quick, easy, and simple. Great for the weather that we are experiencing here in Florida, you know, just to get the hair off of your face a little bit. Always a welcomed change. Yeah, and it's just super cute just the same. Yeah. All right, so now we are going to definitely transition for another look, but of course, you know, I'm already playing with the hair again. Every time I take the style down, I am playing with the hair because I am so in love with it. Love it, love it, love it. Come on now. All right, so also I'm gonna be just doing another look, which is just something where you do a roll and tuck and a bobby pin. Nothing major, but still cute. And guys, remember to check out the links down below. Very important. Everything will be left down below, including a discount code for you guys. So this is just today's look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you love the style. Let me know in the comment section down below, and we will definitely catch up in my next one. Take care, and we will talk. Bye.